My name is Kardo. I'm a final year law student at Swansea University. I'm also a Santander scholar. I chose Swansea University for its renewed law program and its vibrant campus community, which has provided me with numerous opportunities. My experience with Swansea University student sport has been exceptional. The staff were very friendly and approachable. They provided me with personalized guidelines tailored to my needs. The workshops on time management and stress reduction were of huge help. The counseling services provided another additional layer of support, making it easier for me to balance my personal and academic life and overcome challenges while looking after my health and well-being. Without the support of time management and stress reduction, it would have been overwhelming, given that I have health condition, caring responsibility, and work at the same time. It would have been difficult to find the support and motivation needed to excel both academically and personally, and I probably would have been a law school dropout. Overall, the support services has been crucial in navigating my university life this far. The resources at our university are designed to help you succeed and thrive. Whether you need academic advice, mental health support, or just someone to talk to. Remember, no one is perfect. Everyone needs support at some point, and reaching out can make a world of difference in your university life experience. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the opportunity to grow and succeed. Don't ever give up. No matter what you go through, you are not alone, and I believe in you.